Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I am in Chicago. I am so excited. I'm here for a week, but the first 3 days we are staying with family friends and we're gonna be exploring the city and having fun. So I thought I would vlog like today and tomorrow. And then I believe tomorrow night or Sunday morning we are headed to our hotel because we are going to work for the next 3 days. Come along with me for this little travel Chicago day in the life. We have so many fun things planned today and I'm so freaking excited. I literally haven't been here since 2016. It's been 10 years. Well, it's been 8 years. It's just gonna be a blast being able to explore. My outfit is so cute. I got this romper in Texas a few weeks ago on a work trip. It's like this little Free People romper. They have a few different colors online, so I'll link it down below. And it has like a little bit of an open back. And I'm gonna wear my New Balances and then a little white Louis purse, and then like bring a little jacket because we have a boat ride tonight at like 7:30 and it's gonna be a little chilly. Just gathering all my things because we're gonna be out all day in the city. I want to make sure like I have what I need, and definitely need this and this other tripod that I just got on Amazon. It like hooks to the back of your phone like this and then it sits up like this. That one's pretty cool. So I have both of those and my bag is already packed. I have my wallet and everything. This is the bag I'm taking and I'm freaking ready. I'm so excited. Currently on the train and we're taking it into the city. It's about an hour train ride. Shot. Finish it, come on. We just went to the Alice in Wonder boutique. I saw it on TikTok and it was so cute. They had really cute stuff and I showed you the hoodie. It's like blue with like neon yellow lettering, and I ordered it online because I just did not want to carry it all day. I'm already carrying this jacket, but I ordered that and I think now we're walking to another one and then we're gonna go closer towards the water and that part of the city. La Josie is what we had for lunch and it was phenomenal. Really good tacos. Definitely recommend. My lighting is being crazy. That's good. I really like that. No alcohol, I like it. Stopped at the Moxie Hotel and I got this drink and it looks like this.
Thank you.
Oh, that's pretty. So good. Cheers. That's so good. Mocktail. We are at this place called, I think it's called Sipper. It's a modern Mediterranean restaurant and we just ordered some platters and some sides and stuff before we have our boat tour at 7:15. So once we get all of our food, I will show it to you guys. But my mocktail is amazing. It's like pomegranate and like a smoky mezcal, but it's 0 alcohol. Love it. This is melon and lemon.
Oh my god. There you go, guys.
It's like dessert.
Oh, oh my gosh. This is like, I'm gonna cut this melon for you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
that is the end of the Chicago vlog. I did not do an outro because it ended up being a really late night, and then the next day we kind of just like bopped around the town and I didn't have room for my camera, which was so annoying of me. I need to get like a little strap to put it like connect it to the camera and put it around my neck. I'm gonna do better about that, but that's all the footage I got for you. I know this vlog is short, but at least it's to the point, and I have so many other vlogs coming up that are super exciting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys. Chicago was a blast. I have so much more content on my Instagram, some fun photos, and also my travel vlog if you guys want to watch that. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Links down below in the description box of all the outfits I wore and anything else I can link. And I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Stay happy, stay positive, and continue to push, press, plug, do everything you can to have a better life. Mwah. Bye guys.